Hello everyone, welcome back to My Tasteful Cook. Today I'm gonna make a creamy pumpkin dessert. Sweet, cozy and perfect for the season. Let's make it together. First, let's peel the pumpkin. The skin is really tough, so be careful. Try to cut off the edges first, then gently peel it. Don't press too hard or you might hurt your hand. Now cut the pumpkin into small cubes, just like this. Then add a little water, some sugar, cinnamon, and cardamom, and let it cook until soft and fragrant. The smell is amazing. Now mix the gelatin powder with cold water and set it aside. Let it bloom for a few minutes. That's what gives our dessert that perfect creamy texture later. Once the pumpkin is cooked and most of the water has evaporated, blend it in a mixer until it's smooth and creamy. This is what makes our dessert silky and perfect. Now take gelatin you mixed with cold water and gently melt it over a double boiler. Stir until it's fully dissolved and smooth. This will give our dessert that perfect texture and color. Now add the melted gelatin to the pumpkin puree and mix well. This will make our dessert silky and help it set perfectly later. Now grease your silicone mold and pour in half of the pumpkin mixture. Place it in the fridge for about an hour to set perfectly. If you enjoyed watching this, don't forget to like, comment your favorite pumpkin dessert and subscribe for more cozy recipes. This creamy pumpkin dessert is perfect for your Halloween treat. Mix the remaining pumpkin mixture with the cream. Carefully remove the first set layer from the mold and pour the creamy mixture on top. Place it back in fridge until fully set. Mix the remaining pumpkin mixture with the cream. Pour it gently over the first set layer in the mold and place it back in the fridge until fully set. Let it chill in the fridge for 3-4 hours to fully set. Once it's ready, gently remove the silicone mold and transfer the dessert into a serving dish. With love, from my kitchen to yours. It's time to taste. It's turned out so delicious. Don't forget to give it a try. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.